Kumar. Welcome, Nora. Welcome. Hi, Kanbai. Yes, of course. Of course. Aye, welcome. Give it up for Nora Fateh and Karan Aujla. All right. That's how we do it. Though we were supposed to, play the song and welcome you on this stage formally, we're going to do that. Sorry? Yeah, we will do that. We'll definitely do that. Bhushan sir, thank you so much for this. Yes, you can be here, of course. And of course, Neha Kakkar, ladies and gentlemen. Make some more noise. Okay, before we start, Karan bhai, of course, with every song of yours, जब भी हम सुनते हैं, everybody says, और चला यार, और चला. Karan Aujla का गाना है यार, चला, और चला. And every single time the same thing happens with a T-Series chartbuster. First things first, what do you have to say about this collaboration?
There's a lot to say, but I'm just happy that this project came together, and I just want to thank Bhushan Paji, obviously Nora, and Neha for sure. We've been working on this for a while, but yeah, I'm just happy that it came all together, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna top the charts.
Yeah, for the reaction of the audience.
Let me give you some good news here that the song's already trending on YouTube and
Let's
everywhere.
go.
Give it up for I Hi, ladies and
go,
gentlemen.
let's go.
Of course, that's the song.
Hi.
Now we're already trending, and this song is I Hi. So I'm sure you get all these compliments every now and then. I Hi, kya kar rahe ho, keh da rahe ho? What do you have to say about this song?
I'm obsessed. I genuinely am obsessed. When Sir sent me the song the first time, I heard it and I was like, the lyrics, amazing, vibe, amazing. Sab kuch, matlab, oh, alag hai. It's an energetic, flirty, fun song, and I really wanted to do a song like this after so long. And then I heard the second version, which was with Neha Kakkar's voice. I said, oh my God, this is a hit. And I have to do this song. So shooting with Karan was such a vibe on set. I think when you see this video, you'll see us laughing in some shots, smile. This was all real, because we really connected. We really had a good time. I love everything about the video, the aesthetics, the choreography, the styling, the way it was choreographed. And I just love our pairing in the video. I think the chemistry was eye high, like literally.
I Hi, literally I Hi, of course.
Yeah, it was just too good. Of course, and Neha's voice was just superb.
We've already loved the video, and that's, as I said, the song is already trending everywhere. So the man responsible for that, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, come on, make some noise for him. So every single time, of course, looking as dapper as ever. Here, we have to talk about this song before we play it for everyone here. Every single time, sir, how do you do it? Like, kya hai wo, that Midas touch that everybody talks about, and talk to us about this pairing here, the people starring in this song.
First of all, I want to tell Karan, you have danced better than Nora. Really, I've never seen you dancing in your videos. Yes, you have to do it. You have to dance on the track. For everybody today. So I'm very happy with that. Where is Neha? Why Neha is not coming?
She's coming, sir.
So this song means a lot to me because I love this song. I think 7-8 months back, Karan played me this song and I said, I want this song and we have to start our association with this. And here we are today. So thank you, Karan Paji, on this. Thank you, Nora, to be a part of such a great. He was always wanting to do a song with you. So this collab has come on T-Series. So we are very, very happy about it. And I want to congratulate my entire team. They have worked really, really hard on this launch event, and going forward also we are going to make this song the biggest chartbuster of 2024
Karan,
and 25.
Karan Paji, of course, we know, of course, you're this amazing artist. Everybody wants to hear you sing and make more music, but especially for you, when you collaborate with a label like T-Series, how special is it for you? Because bachpan se sunte aaye hain, everybody loves this.
Yeah, exactly. Literally from childhood, we've been seeing the songs come out with T-Series on TVs, and we never knew we would be the ones, coming down with the track, especially with the man himself. I mean, it's a blessing, man. I'm just really happy that this is happening, and this is just a beginning. That's all I gotta say. There's a lot more to do, and there's a lot more that we're gonna come out with together. And yeah, man. I hope you guys are not sleeping. Like, I can't, like, exactly. Like, Yeah, please, man. Let's do that. Yeah.
Okay, guys, funny story. So we went on set, first time meeting Karan, and before even meeting him, the director told me, "Ma'am, Karan ko dance nahi karna hai. Mat karo, try mat karna." So I was like, "Oh, okay." Then I immediately went to him, met him, introduced myself. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Karan, I want you to dance in the video. Sida. And he's like, what? I said, yes, aapko dance karna hai. He's like, okay, okay. Then Rajit also went up to him and was like, it's just one small move, right? One small move. But then he ended up doing it and he did it so well. Did you guys see it? Wasn't he so good? Like all that swag and everything. And even, you know what the funny part is? When we were doing the take, I'd forgotten the move some 2-3 times. Like I messed it up. And he was just going for it. Like fully with the clap and the shoulders. And I was like looking at him like, oh, he's going to take my throne.
No, that was fun actually. Well, that was the only step that I knew how to do, and I was doing it for 2 hours before that, so you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much, Nora, on helping me with this. And where's Neha? Like, I would really like her to come up.
She's about to come here, but she's saying, okay, let's watch the song on the
Let's
big
watch
screen
the
first.
song, yeah.
So we're gonna
and,
see all those moves and grooves.
Exactly.
And let's take a look
do
at the
that.
song on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you,
Give it up
guys.
for Nora.
Oh yeah, all right. Let's come in.
Nora, we would want you to be on the
Come here,
stage.
come
Of course, आप सिखा दो सबको.
आ जाओ.
Aww. Come.
All right, let's try this. Let's try this step, everybody.
Nora, please, we would want you to be on the stage, of course. चाहिए कि आप भी स्टेज पे आए. Ladies and gentlemen, Neha Kakkar, Nora, and of course, Karan Aujla. Everybody. Music आएगा.
They are fabulous. Neha Kakkar, as she said, she's back again. I'm very happy for that. क्योंकि वो करेक्ट बोल रही है. अभी बीच में थोड़ा मस्ती कर रही थी कि नहीं गाना.
शादी में थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्यार में हो गई.
Actually, so I welcome her back and with this song. So yes, this song will rock, as I just earlier said.
And sir, वो एक frame में दिखने की, we were just talking about this. कि do we get to see more and more of them?
Yes, for sure.
है ना?
Yeah.
I am sure it's gonna be धमाकेदार this journey, ladies and gentlemen. And नेहा, आप कहीं नहीं गए थे. आप हमेशा हर पार्टी में होते हो. आपके बिना कोई पार्टी पूरी नहीं होती. Of course, इस पूरी टीम के साथ इस बार पूरी दुनिया न्यू ईयर्स ईव मनाने वाली है. Because न्यू ईयर का सबसे बड़ा पार्टी एंथम is आए हाय. It's time to click a picture. Of course, we'll have a quick picture. उसके लिए I'd like to invite on stage Shiv Chanana sir, of course, and